Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove the background just at one click. You need to go to the Chrome browser and search as www.remove.bg. You don't need to go to PixArt or Photoshop to do this. You can do it online. Once you are there, give on upload image and select the picture whichever you want to, and it takes some seconds. And friends, you can see now the background is removed. You can download it. Also, you can edit this picture by giving on edit, such that you can blur the background. You can give it the different wallpapers and all. You can change the color, and changing this color mainly helps for YouTube thumbnails. And I think this is so easy than compared to PixArt or Photoshop, etc. You'll get many background as such. Once it's done, you can download it easily, and picture quality will be as your original picture. I hope it's helpful for you guys, and thank you. I'll come with my next video soon. Do subscribe to my channel.